Hi, I'm Emma Fields and I'm a radiation oncologist.
I'm Laura Padilla and I'm a medical physicist. In this project, we also collaborated with Alex Cruiser from MIM Software. And we are going to talk to you today about the development of an image verification platform for resident training. Despite the importance of image verification in today's radiation oncology practice, there is a huge gap in training. There is limited to no formal education on pre-treatment setup image alignment and review for residents.
Because of this gap, we created a hands-on image verification workshop for medical and physics residents, which we performed initially with the residents at VCU and actually presented here last year. After that, we collaborated with 6 other institutions and distributed our materials and performed a multi-institutional workshop. We did the image verification workshop with a total of 7 institutions, and it was again very well received by all the residents. We showed a significant improvement in self-reported confidence scores, and we have a presentation on that in the ROECSG 3rd Annual Spring Symposium. However, there's no good software options available for training without altering patient records or using clinical software. And there's really no objective way to test competence and get feedback on your shifts with your image verification platform. And this is why we're working on creating an image verification training platform.
For this platform to be effective, we needed to have a similar look to current clinical software. We also needed to be able to handle planar and volumetric images so residents can practice registering both radiographs and cone beam CTs. We wanted to have the same registration and registration review tools that residents would encounter in the clinic. And we also wanted to be able to host patient documents. So if they decide that in order to assess if a registration is correct, they need to know more about the plan, they have all the information that they need within our software. We also wanted to have a ground truth that's embedded in it so that they can compare what they decided to what the optimal alignment would be. And we also wanted to be able to have a way for them to record their shifts. This is why we decided to collaborate with MIM Software. This is what our workflow currently looks like. So this is the typical home screen for MIM. The workflow that we are designing in conjunction with Alex is going through all of the steps that we would want it to go through. So it pulls up the images so that the residents can do the registration. And then it shows them the shifts that they decided on so that they can record them and compare them later to the ground truth. So instead of having this classic patient list, we are working with them to adopt their peer review look so that the patient list that residents would see when they log onto the web-based platform that we're creating looks more like this. So it's more straightforward, more user-friendly, where they can just go to the patient that they want to work on and they can just pull it up. And in addition to that, this type of platform allows us to introduce questionnaires. So at the end of the experience, the resident gets to answer whatever questions we feel like we need to put for them so that they can give us the feedback that we need, and we can also know what it is that they learn by utilizing our software. So this will be coming soon, and we will give you an update as soon as we have it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye.